Hey my doll, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the review today. This is being brought to you by Elevate Styles. This is Outre Safira from their lace front collection, and I have her in a color number 2. She is going to be one of those wigs that is honestly easy to put on, throw on and go. So here is what she is looking like. Of course, you're gonna get the ashy white lace because it does comes with the HD lace. You're going to get a hand tied parting area that does need to be plucked, even though it says it's pre-plucked. You have your standard cap construction, as you can see, so nothing, different about it. And now I'm not sure where they said pre-plucked at. I mean, probably it's pre-plucked along the hairline, but the parting area does need just a little bit of plucking, which I did off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her thrown on, try her on for you guys. And if you're interested in this hair, this is my Asteria Kinky Straight headband wig, and I have the card right up above where you can watch that review. But in the meantime, in between time, let's go ahead and continue with Safira. And so here I have her on. And like I said, very simple, straight to the point. She's going to be one of those angled bob cuts with the crimp wave that is so trendy right now. So Outre did a very good job with this one. I have no complaints about it. Well, I do, but you guys will definitely hear that in the outro. So make sure you guys are definitely watching until the very end. And also make sure you guys are following me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm ALJ on both platforms. I definitely am making some changes to my channel. So please follow me on both of those pages. If not, if not both, one or the other, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys a 360, and then we're going to go ahead and get to styling her. She is not that full, even though she looks like it. Looks can be deceiving. I thought I was feeling the wig lays flat, and I feel tracks. I was like, is a track showing? But obviously it's not. I was just feeling a little self-conscious. I was like, wait a minute, is my track showing? But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get the lace cut off, and then we're gonna go ahead and continue styling her. So we are done with Miss Safira. Safira is really cute. I don't really have too many complaints about her, but I do have some, okay? Y'all know it's coming. But anyway, this is going to be a synthetic wig, heat safe up to 400 degrees. She's going to come with transparent HD lace and a pre-plucked lace parting area. Now, she is giving me that 80s asymmetrical crimp bob, and I'm liking the style. It's super duper cute. This style is honestly beginner friendly because once you cut the lace off and you add your concealer or your liquid foundation or your powder, whichever you choose to do so, you're gonna basically throw it on and go. So very beginner friendly. She is under $35, of course, so budget friendly as well. So we have beginner friendly, budget friendly. Yeah, so Safira is really cute, especially for my dolls that love a good asymmetrical bob or bob type cut. You're gonna definitely want this one. Now, she does lay very flat to my head. However, that's a plus for me, but then there's also a con because while she does lay flat to my head, I'm feeling a little self-conscious, like I got some tracks showing. So if you do wear this one outside, of course, wear a dark color stocking cap. That way, you don't feel self-conscious about the tracks. And then also make sure that your hair is really flat underneath because because the way the tracks are laid, so the wig can lay flat to your head, you definitely want to make sure that your hair underneath is very flat. Now, y'all saw me, do a little bit of styling to her. I did use the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Dry Shampoo found this at Dollar Tree, by the way. So if you see it in your Dollar Tree, definitely pick it up. But this dry shampoo is so bomb, especially for my synthetic wigs. I've really been loving this formula. Now it doesn't leave a white cast or anything like that. Definitely leaves a, you know, a natural, and it doesn't dull the hair out or anything like that. But with this number 2, it was coming off a very shiny, and I had to get rid of that because it was looking real plasticky. But the hair that the fiber that they use, it's not a cheap fiber. So like, you know, nice synthetic little fiber to it. It's definitely going to hold the crimps for quite some time due to the fiber that they did use. It's not a silky fiber, which is a good thing. So dolls, what else can I say about this wig? I mean, like, she's so simple, straight to the point. It's really nothing that I can elaborate on. Now she does shed just a little bit, so keep that in mind. So y'all already know it's a synthetic wig. It is going to shed. No tangling with this length. If I get tangling, I will be surprised if I get any tangling. But y'all seen I went in, you know, utilized the baby hairs for the wig. I added my powder foundation in the parting space just to define it just a little bit more, and boom, I was done styling this wig. Like, yeah, so anything that you see me use in this video, I will have all those product links in the description box. So and I highly recommend this one too, especially for synthetic wigs when you want to lay the baby hairs down, because this lays it down really good. And this is the ORS olive oil grip gel, and I really do like this for laying synthetic baby hairs down. So dolls, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go. Make sure you comment down below, kiki it up with me. Let me know how you like Saphira on me. Are you interested in purchasing Saphira, or have you already purchased her? And follow me Facebook, Instagram. I'm Aya All Day on both platforms. Definitely check out elevatestyles.com for your purchase needs. They have everything that you can think of, plus more that you haven't thought of. Okay, so elevatestyles.com is going to be the plug for this one. So dolls, I will talk to y'all in another review. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.